2020 Acura RDX release date -2020 Acura RDX Type S, crossover SUV launches for $38,595. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming Acura brand. The title of the article we take is 2020 Acura RDX release date -2020 Acura RDX Type S, crossover SUV launches for $38,595. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2020 Acura RDX release date -2020 Acura RDX Type S, crossover SUV launches for $38,595. The 2020 Acura RDX goes on sale nationally this week for $38,595, the automaker said Wednesday. The starting price creeps up only $200 for the 2020 model year, which reflects no major changes after a redesign last year. All prices include a mandatory $995 destination charge. The $38,595 figure will put drivers behind the wheel of a front-wheel drive RDX with a 2.0-liter turbo 4 engine that makes 272 horsepower. Standard equipment on all RDX models includes Acura Watch, the brand's active safety feature bundle, panoramic moonroof, Acura's dual LED headlights, sport seats, and a touchpad-based infotainment system with a 10.2-inch screen. A power liftgate is also standard. Buyers will find only one change for 2020, the addition of a new platinum white exterior color choice. The price climbs accordingly when moving through the trim hierarchy. An RDX with the technology package costs $41,795, while the racier A-Spec package will set buyers back $44,795. The range-topping advanced package costs $46,695. Each trim shows a $200 price increase, save for the advanced package, which only increases by $100 for the new model year. Opting for all-wheel drive adds $2,000 to each trim level, putting an all-wheel drive RDX with the advanced package at $48,695. Thus, the most expensive RDX buyers will find before any additional options will top out at $48,695 for an advanced package model with SH-AWD. That price nets buyers heated and cooled front seats, leather upholstery, and an SH-branded audio system. Thanks.